Are you someone who is looking to make your career in public sector? Or should I just say that प्राइवेट मार्केट्स में इतना ज़्यादा कंपटीशन हो गया है कि सबके लिए पॉसिबल ही नहीं है प्राइवेट मार्केट में जॉब्स लेना. एंड अगर आप उनमें से कोई हैं तो यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट्स नॉट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. और भी बहुत चीज़ें हैं जो आप कर सकते हो और आपको पता होना चाहिए कि प्राइवेट सेक्टर से बाहर क्या क्या ऑप्शंस हैं. ये वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ 5 ऐसे ऑप्शंस गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में जो ना तो सिर्फ स्टेबिलिटी देते हैं बट बहुत रिवॉर्डिंग भी है. स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट इज RBI ग्रेड B ऑफिसर एग्जाम. सेकेंड SEBI ग्रेड A ऑफिसर एग्जाम. थर्ड EDII असिस्टेंट मैनेजर एग्जाम. Fourth, IBPS SO and SBI SO exam. And fifth is International Financial Services Center Authority Assistant Manager Council, or also known as Consultant exam. Now I am going to tell you one by one about these exams. What would be your job profile? How much time is required for the preparation? What is the annual package that you can expect across these job profiles? And the package that I am going to tell is exclusive of the benefits or the allowances that you will get for your housing, for your grocery, for your food, etc. So starting with the first one, which is your RBI grade B exam. Here your job role would be to regulate and supervise the financial system, managing government accounts, issuing currency and ensuring financial stability. Here the preparation time required would be between 6 to 12 months. The key focus area for the exam would be economics, finance, management, English, quantitative aptitude and reasoning. The annual package that you can expect is between 15 to 20 lakhs. Second job, which is SEBI grade A exam. Here your job would be to regulate and supervise the securities market, ensure investor protection and enforce securities laws. Preparation time would be between 6 to 10 months. The focus area for exam would be securities market, finance, economics, accounting, English, quantitative aptitude and reasoning. Here the annual package would be between 13 to 14 lakhs. The third job role, which is EDII assistant manager exam. Here you would be responsible to regulate and develop the insurance industry, protect policyholders' interests and ensure the financial soundness of insurance companies. The preparation time required here would vary between 6 to 10 months. The focus area would be insurance sector knowledge. Here insurance sector knowledge is important because this job role is very specific to insurance. Then the quantitative aptitude, English and general awareness. The annual package would be around 10 lakhs here. The fourth is IBPS SO and SEBI SO exams. SO here stands for Specialist Officers. Here you would be you would be doing something which is related to your expertise such as credit, risk, IT, marketing, finance, ensuring efficient banking operations and customer service. The preparation time required here would be between 4 to 6 months. The focus area for this role would be professional knowledge in the field for which you are going. Let's say if you are into IT, then IT knowledge. If you are into marketing knowledge, credit knowledge, etc. So it depends which field are you going for. Then your reasoning, English and general awareness. Here the annual package would be it would depend whether you are IBPS SO or SBI SO. If you are an IBPS SO, then the package would be around 10 to 12 lakhs. And SBI SO, it would be between 10 to 13 lakhs. Now coming to the final, which is the fifth one, International Financial Services Center Authority Consultant Grade 1, which is Finance and Accounts. Here, your role would be to handle finance and accounting functions, ensure compliance with financial regulations, and provide financial analysis and support. Basically, here your role would be to do financial planning and analysis, oversee the accounting functions, etc. The qualification, so here exam is not required, the qualification is required, which is CA with a bachelor's degree in commerce. Usually it might not be the hard rule, but that's the pattern that people have noticed. The annual package would be around 12 to 15 lakhs depending upon the specific contract terms. Other than this, you can also check for exams in LIC, which might be LIC, AAO, ADO, etc. And other than that, public sector banks also have some vacancies for financial analysts that you can look for. Now, here also, I'm not saying that there is no competition. There is a very good amount of competition. But since I just told you the preparation time, and actually you can also prepare for it along with the other job that you are doing or whatever you are doing side by side, and then you give those exams, there is a good chance that if you really prepare for it well, you can make it. Now, the packages that I just told you, it doesn't include the intangible perks that you get, or I should not call them intangible, but I would say non-monetary perks. You don't get the cash for it. So for example, for the job, if you are shifting to a new place, you would be given the rent allowance. Your rent would be borne by the government institution for which you are working. Not just that, but your house help allowance, your grocery allowance, your driver allowance, and let's say if you are preparing, like you are doing some course, you are preparing for something else, then also subject to the probation terms and some of the retention terms, even that can also be sponsored by these government institutions. And in general, the working hours are not as bad as the private sector here. Well, here, just to caveat myself, I'm not comparing government sector and the private sector. It's the question about what kind of life you want to live and whether you are getting the job in the private sector that you want to get. So this is one of the good options that you can consider. If you are someone who likes to work for 12 to 15 hours hustling every day, so maybe you might find this job a bit slow. But if you are someone who is looking for a rewarding, stable career and also in a way that you can contribute to the nation as well at the large level, then this job might really be a good option for you. Because eventually, if you are at a government institution, you will find good opportunities to serve the nation in one way or the other. Well, that's all about this video. If you want to know more about these government exams, anything specifically, let me know in the comments and I'll try to reply, or maybe I'll make another video on the same. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.